Shenzhen 360 Craft Company Limited is a manufacturer and trading combo on houseware, including custom print and sublimation blanks on MDF coasters and placemats, ceramic coasters, trivets and ornament, ceramic mug and tumble, puzzles, little things like earrings, keychains, luggage tags. After 13 years development, we have become a leading enterprise in this industry. All MDF coasters and placemats are using automation equipment, durable thick hardboard with superior density and heavy-duty cork backing. Automation equipment of ceramic coasters and trivets for material, molding and firing, which can supply different shape and sublimation blank and custom print to different customers. All our ceramic items have shiny, matte, absorbent for customers' choice. Our company has over 70 employees, which contains experienced stylists who devoted to design field. Our products are exported to more than 20 countries, such as Europe, Australia, North America, USA, the Middle East, and Japan. We take part in Canton Fairs, Frankfurt Ambiente Fair, and IHA Show. Develop best products, offer best service, create best brand, are our always goal and eternal pursuit. In order to make future progress, we actively promote cooperation possibilities with domestic and overseas partners. Moreover, we also available to OEM and ODM service, which enable us to cater customs needs as much as we can. We are looking forward opportunities of cooperation with worldwide customs based on mutual benefits.